activity with our oven with the touch. In the manual mode, we can just select the function, the temperature, and the time. If you're giving the start, you can see the right temperature inside and the time you have to. It's good. Okay, in the personal program, you have the suggesting cooking. If you don't know how to prepare apple pie, you have just to say how many portions you are. He gives you the function, the right temperature, and the minutes, and you're just giving the next, and you can see the right things. You can see inside with the camera. In the real color, you can see inside in the real moment. It's not fake, and you can control of your application too. You can start and stop from your application.
Okay.
Video.
That's great.
If you want to prepare lasagna, you're just giving the video tutorial. And
So I have to stop here, right?
Okay.
Thank you